Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, helping you at home with your mindset. I am rereading The Slight Edge. Now, how to read a book was actually explained to me yesterday by one of my mentors. He said, yes, you might have read it once and you know the story of the frog and whatever, but do you read it with a pen, a notepad at the side, and how to apply it to your life? So this is day one, chapter one of The Slight Edge. It's more of an introduction to the guy who wrote the book. He's telling the story of Gorgeous George and let's call the other one Gorgeous Ken. Two friends at college, best friends, best buddies. One became a beach bum and went cutting lawns on a golf course. The other one went on to become a successful businessman. Now, then he reveals that actually it's him, it's Jeff Olsen. He was one and the same person. Now, what was the change? Well, he was mowing lawns at this golf club and he had an epiphany. He thought, why aren't I on the other side of the coin and I'm playing golf and I've got the Ferrari, whatever, you know, and the big house, blah, 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 blah. And he went back to college, got straight A's, noticed, I think he went back to Albuquerque in America. It took him 6 days and noticed that solar panels were new. So within 2 years, he got a multi-million-dollar business. Then the laws changed and then he went, phew. Yes, he failed. He was in more debt now than Gorgeous George. So, how to pick yourself up? Life is a series of ups and downs, isn't it? Right? So, if you're doing things to get you on up to there, why'd you go down again? You stop doing the things that got you up to that point in the first place. So you sort of lose yourself on the way. So the Slight Edge is all about finding what successful people do daily. Mostly they're insignificant things that it's easy not to do. That's why people give up. It's like putting good content on Facebook. It's like doing a YouTube video a day or two. It's connecting with 10 Facebook friends, new friends a day. It's the little things. It's the daily emails that you need to do. So, what daily actions could you take today that are the boring, mundane ones to change your life? Because it's not, it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. It's a series of boring, monotonous things that you think, oh, I can't be bothered to do this. But really, can you be bothered? Because if you're not bothered to do it, then you're just going to stay where you are, aren't you? So, in the comments below, I would like you to tell me what daily actions you could and should be doing or are going to do after watching this video, because I'm going to do a video a day on this book for every single chapter. I'm not just going to read it and say that was a nice story. I'm going to actually think about what I've learned and then apply it to my life. So whatever I learned, I can share with you, and then we can both become our best selves. Well, all of you become our best selves on the same journey together. Go get this book. I'll see if I can find a link below. But let's read it together and see what you learn too. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, hit the notifications button, and subscribe to my channel, because this is going to be good, guys. A chapter a day of mindset with me, Diane Hogarth, Millionaire Mom. If you'd like a full-time income or top tools for your business, click the link below and free trainings, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.